welcome back to Limon's Kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen. In this video we are going to prepare pasta with white sauce or creamy pasta. So this is my butter. I'm going to melt this butter. I'm going to melt the butter, then add in all-purpose flour. So this is my all-purpose flour. I'm using 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So we are going to fry this for about 5 minutes until it is well cooked. You need to fry it. If not, you are going to get running stomach or the taste will not come out. So you need to fry it. If you want to know the butter is well cooked when frying it, it will turn white like milk. You can see it from here. It will start turning to white, meaning the butter is well cooked. Then you go ahead and add your milk. You can add evaporated milk, any kind of milk you like. If you have yogurt also, you can also add yogurt. But for now I don't have yogurt, so I'm using only milk. So this is the milk I've added. You are going to stir with your whisk. If you use fork, likely it can turn to lumps. So I prefer using the whisk. So we are going to whisk it whilst cooking it. You know, the whisk prevents it from turning into lumps. So you are going to whisk and cook this for extra 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure it is well cooked, please. So from here you add 1 tablespoon of sugar, then you stir it until it is well dissolved. Then you go ahead and sprinkle little nutmeg on it. You can also use black pepper. I don't have the black pepper, so I will sprinkle nutmeg on it. So after you stir it, then if you have pepper flakes, I don't have pepper flakes, so I'm going to use powdered pepper. I will still add powdered pepper, you know, to give it a little bit taste. You know, this word that you need to add pepper so that you will not vomit. So this is my powdered pepper. If you have pepper flakes, you can also use it. So after you cook it for 1 minute, if you want it your sauce light, then you add more milk. If you want it medium, then you leave it this way. Depending on how you want your sauce, I want mine a little bit not too light. Yes, so this is my sauce. This is how I want mine. I don't want it very light. I want it this way. So we go ahead and add in our pasta and give it a stir. From there, you add any vegetable of your choice. The vegetable is optional, but it helps to garnish it and give it a beautiful look. And yes, that's why I'm going to add my vegetables, but it's optional. And also, you know, we know the function of some of the vegetables. Yes, so you need to add vegetables to this because this pasta is carbohydrates, you know, so you need to add vegetables to balance your diet. So this is our creamy pasta. Look at how the appearance, it's everything, and it's very delicious. So this is my vegetable. I'm going to use green bell pepper and red bell pepper. Yes, and I'll add little sprinkled onions to it. So my sauce is ready. I'm going to serve it with some chilled drink. This is very simple and easy. You can, after watching this video, trust me, you are not going to buy this one from Italian shop again. You can make your homemade creamy pasta. Thank you guys for watching to this. Please don't forget to leave comments in the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.